Hey guys, Helicool, Helipad. Dave Anderson here. Hey, I got a bunch of things that I want to get buttoned up today, and I do have a special treat for you. So these are the things that we're going to do today. Yes, a big laundry list. So let's get started on it, shall we? Who is it?
Hey man, it's Dave. Open up, I got the stuff.
Dave's not here.
Yeah man, it's Dave. Open up, I got the stuff. Dave?
Dave's not here. Who is it?
It's Dave, man. I got the stuff. I'm telling you, I got the stuff. Dave?
Dave's not here.
No, I'm Dave. It's Dave, man. It's Dave, man. Open up, I got the stuff. Who is it? Yeah, man. Dave.
Who is it?
It's Dave, man. Come on, man. I got the stuff, man. Come on, man. Cops might come off. Cops might show up. Come on, man. Open up the door.
Dave's not here.
Come on, man. It's Dave. No, I'm Dave.
Who is it?
I got the stuff, man.
Dave's not here.
Oh, come on, man. Open up the door. It's Dave. No, I'm Dave. Open up.
Who is it?
All right, hey, quit screwing around and get back to work.
Well, hey guys, Bob is here. Hey Bob, did you hear about the starting issues that Malachi's having? Oh, well, it's having some starting issues. I'm not sure what it is. I might need to replace the batteries or something. Oh, wait. What do you got there? Oh, looks like you have some kind of tool. What is that? Oh, it's test equipment. Did you get that at work? Do they know that you have it? Oh, okay. Well, let's test it out then. All right, so this is the test equipment here. Okay, so you're gonna hold that on there. So does that have to touch the post? Yeah? Yeah, okay. All right, well, it says please wait. Make sure that it's on there good, and I'm gonna just go right underneath here. Just make sure. Okay, and right. Over 100. Okay, well, I'm glad that we double checked that one, because that one is showing over 100. All right, testing battery number 2. Battery test decibels. 1.46. Now press hold. That's over 100 as well. All right, so we're testing the temperature of all the studs of the batteries, and they're right around 50. Oh, you're going way out to the edge. They're right around 58 degrees, and we're going to check it after we go ahead and start. All right, so yeah, this one I moved these cables, and this whole thing kind of rotated a little bit. So I tightened up these bolts, tightened this up, tightened that up, and Bob is saying that that one there is going to be the hottest of all of them. I'm hoping that everything goes really well because we just tightened that up. All right, fire in the hole. All right, guys, this is the plan. I'm going to take this sound deadening board. I already put some of this stuff in the in Malachi, but one whole piece. I'm going to cut it the size of the back panel, and that should actually put this flush, and that flange, that bracket won't stick out here, and this one won't stick out either. So that'll make it level across the entire back. Put some soundproofing on that, and then if Bob has any more of that tonneau cover left, that's what's going to go over the top of that. It should look so sharp. All right, in order for me to keep the storage box, I'm gonna have to cut out the piece that goes onto the back wall to make room for the box. Well, foolishly, I thought that I could maybe get that board up in there with the seats in. Now you gotta take them out. It's way too big. So after taking them out, I got my son to help me put it in. It fit pretty good. On to the next step. All right, guys, so here's the next step. I'm going to spray some great stuff just to fill the cavity down below. And then I'm going to fill the rest of this with some loose insulation. And hopefully that will take care of this. I can button this back up. Of course, I'm going to put riv nuts in here. You'll see all that on time lapse. All right, the foam is now dry. And I've got this little piece of really thick plastic. This was actually a large sheet that came off of a pallet. I just had it. I don't know where you would go to find that. It's just scrap that I had. And I have this blow-in fiber fill. I'd really rather use the pink fiberglass so I could, you know, stuff it up in here really well. It's going to be a little harder getting the blow-in stuff, but this again was cheap and I had it, so that's what I'm going to use. All right, the sides are all buttoned up. Well, mostly. I still, I don't have any more of those screws, or rather bolts, but I'll be getting some more of those. All right, guys, let's try it out. You know, just by talking in here, I can already tell that it's really quiet, but I'm going to leave this open to start and then shut it and then get a good reading. Fire in the hole. Alright guys, this is where this is a high idle, is where I put it, is right on that dash mark. And I'm going to check the decibel level. Of course I left the jump seat out, and that will absorb some noise. Let's see what the decibel meter says. Hey, just to let you know, I use my iPhone to collect the data for the decibel level. And this time I got the high was 71.3 and the low was 63.0. Now that's without the troop seat installed. And I know that helps eliminate some of that reverberation. So I think we are headed in the right direction, and that is the decibel level down. Hey guys, I'm going to call it a day and get this video out. I still got this soundproofing to finish up, and a good friend of mine, Lou, and he is building Optimus. I'm going to put a tag right up here for his channel. He's doing an awesome build. Optimus looks like just a I can't even say it. It's I can't say those kind of words on my channel, but it is awesome. And check out his videos. He's doing a really good job with Optimus. but he is sending me the spare soundproofing that I'm going to use for this back wall, and I'm also going to go underneath the tunnel cover here and soundproof that. Until then, guys, I'll see you next time. I'm signing out. Be safe, and God bless.